Hello everybody, okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace AI intake hose on 2014 Honda Odyssey. You see the hose broken here? It passed the mass airflow. That's why the car run like crazy and burn a lot of gas and shaking sometimes. The car won't smooth. You see the mass airflow in here? Leaking. After the mass airflow is not good. So let me show you guys how to replace it, okay? It's all tool required. Okay, so I'm going to remove the box out a little bit to get room. I don't want to do it some room. It's not necessary to remove it, but I want to remove. So disconnect the mass airflow. Disconnect the map sensor. It's very simple, you know. It's nothing special. Here you go. Shit, the filter look dirty too. So right now let's just do this one first. I'm gonna tell customer to change the filter. Just pull it, man. It's out now. Very simple. This is a new one. Look like I bought from Honda. We need to transfer the clamp from the old one to the new one. So let me transfer it. On the job, sometimes you know the air intake hose come up. You might get a system tool in bank 1 or bank 2. The check engine light sometimes it come on too. But on this car it doesn't see any check engine light on yet, but in somehow the light gonna be on, you know, because too much air inside, too much air get inside the engine. How to install? This one was broken. Install it, okay. in. It's in now, so when it's in, don't do anything yet, just we're gonna put this on the box. Move this up a little bit. Make sure they have clip in and out, go in. Clip it. The three good side and plug the mass outflow. Plug and tighten it. Ủa ta còn son mấy bài mưa son có thôi à? And the last bowl in here, okay? Hi Mark, what'd you get?
Some gaskets and thermostat.
Oh, okay, just... It's almost done, guys. The hose and... Tighten this up a little bit and... Plug. The motor, no? Map sensor. I just plug the map sensor on. It should be good to go. Okay, it's all set to go, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is how to install the air intake hose. Thank you.